The on switch is located in the back of the printer. Switch it on like this, and go to the front of the printer, and the light should turn on and it should make a sound.
How to level the MakerBot Replicator 2. First, go to Utilities, hit Level Build Plate. Tighten each of the 3 knobs under the build platform about 4 turns.
The 3 knobs are located under the build plate. 1, 2, and 3.
Next, we check using an ID or business card. Let me see the ID.
Check the build plate by sliding the ID under the extruder, like this. The ID should fit just between the extruder and the plate. Once it does, that area is leveled. Further adjusting of the knob under the build plate may be needed. This could include tightening the knob to lower the build plate or loosening the knob to higher the build plate.
How to change the filament. First, go to Utilities, then go to Change Filament. We have one on there, so we're going to hit Unload, and the extruder will heat. Once it's heated, you come up here to the top of the extruder, you pull this off, and gently pull this out. When it's heated, it will come out pretty easily, but right now it's heating, so
we wait.
We wait.
Go.
How to put new filament on. First, you take the spool and you squeeze the inside piece. Push it on. You feed the filament through the tube. And then you can reattach the tube in the back. You go to Load in the same menu under Utilities and Change Filament. The guide tube is already off. And now you just push the filament through the extruder.
When the filament is successfully through to the extruder, some of the filament may start coming out. All you do is let it run and then pull it out. The first thing you do is open up the MakerWare application. Then, you press the Add button, and select the object file you'd like to add. Today, we're just going to use something that was downloaded off the internet called the Tower of Pi. The next message that will pop up is Put Object on the Platform. Always move towards the platform so that when the object is printing, it prints on the build plate. Next, you click the Make button, and the screen should pop up. Notice that there is an option for wraps and supports. Wraps are used to keep the object on the platform, while supports are used for anything that is built on an angle. For example, if you're building a cup with a handle, you're going to want to use supports so that the handle will not just print in midair. Keep the Makerware within default settings and keep everything at standard, and you should be fine and ready to print. Press Export, and if the computer is hooked up to the MakerBot, your object will begin to print.